welcome back to the channel. My name is Sequoia, and if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. I hope you join the family by clicking on the subscribe button down below. If you've been here before, thank you guys so much for stopping by again. I know I took a mini break, but I'm back this month of October bringing you guys more content, and what better way to do so than to go back to something that I know you guys enjoy, which are my try-on hauls. So I'm coming to you guys today with an AliExpress try-on haul. This was my first time ever purchasing clothing on their website. From the videos that I had seen, a lot of people were really hit or miss with the items that they purchased. However, they were extremely affordable, and who doesn't like a good deal? I know I do. If you click on this video, I'm sure you do too. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up as well. I really appreciate it here on my channel. Yeah, enough rambling, let's get straight into this video. Moving on to the first items. So you guys know I love me some white jeans, so I decided to get these bell bottoms. I got these in a size small, and they are extremely stretchy. From what I saw in other videos, I was this close to ordering this in a medium, I believe. Yeah, but from the pictures that I saw in the reviews, they were extremely long. I am 5 feet on a good day, so I decided to get it in a small and just keep my fingers crossed that they fit. And they do. However, they are still extremely long on me, even though this is a small. And the only way I could possibly keep these is if I get them altered, which is going to be an extra cost. And are they really worth it? I don't know. Just let me know in the comments if I should keep this one or not. I do like the fit. I know the worst jeans I've ever tried on. I just wish the wear just a tiny bit shorter. Yeah, but apart from that, it's okay. I'll probably give this like a 5. Because I love the top, I just don't like the bottoms. But yeah, with that being said, let's move on to the next item, which is this all white corset top. I love me a corset top as well. This I got in a size small, and in my head I didn't think these two go well together. I don't know why, weird, but they do. It's giving me this all white combo going on, and I absolutely love this. I don't know what you guys think. I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. But yeah, this looks so good together, and that's maybe one of the main reasons why I am leaning more towards keeping these jeans. Let me know what you guys think of them paired together. If I didn't mention before, I did get the top in a small. I also got the bottoms in a small as well. Last item that I have on as well is this beautiful necklace, customized necklace. If you guys can believe it, it says my name. I'll come close so you guys can see. The next item is this beautiful blue and green dress. Imagine this with some beautiful blue heels and a cute bag. That would be such a vibe. I absolutely love this one. I got this in a size small. I should have sized up and gotten a medium. The only downside for me are the arms. Arms are on the tighter side, but however, it's still a nice dress. I absolutely love this. The dress itself, I'll probably give it an 8. Because I love the print and the colors, the combination, everything is just beautiful. And that's the thing with the arms, I should have known better. So who can I blame for this but apart from myself? If this was an actual full sleeve, not full sleeve, but like this part wasn't cut out, this would be perfect. But because the arms are cut out, so that's why I don't know how I feel about it. But apart from that, I really like it. I'll probably give this a solid 8 out of 10. Yeah. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of this one.
You win.
So the next item is this blue two-piece that I got in a size small. They are pretty stretchy, and that's why I picked it up in a size small. However, the bottoms are extremely long, but it's okay. You can't really tell. You can just see it's scrunched up a little bit at the bottom. It's really nice. I love the color. I think it looks pretty good on. It's really plain and simple. You can dress this up, you can dress it down. But yeah, I absolutely love this. You could wear this with a strapless bar. That's up to you as well. But yeah, I like this. The last item is this beautiful maxi dress. I love the leopard print. I didn't mention already, I got this in a size small. It fits pretty loose because I didn't want the dress to be too tight on me, because that's not the kind of vibe I was going for with this dress. However, I just wish it was cinched in just a tiny bit at the waist, but that's fine. So definitely with this dress, I would say to stick to your regular size. It's extremely long. I'm going to be showing you guys I'm going to put another video here to show you guys how long this is. It being extremely long is fine, because I know once I put on some heels it's going to be okay. I absolutely really love this dress. I love the animal print. I love the back as well. I am wearing it with a strapless bra. The only downside to this dress is it's a little bit see-through. So let's say you were taking a picture with a flash, you would be able to see through the dress. But just wearing it like this, you'd be fine. Just wear some black underwear and you would be okay. But yeah, apart from that, I absolutely love this dress. And on that note, this is the last item of the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of the outfit. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.